god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh god, did you see? Oh my goodness. Ooh, giant millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, so big. Hello everyone. Yes, let's discover with me. And this place around my home has a lot of insects like millipede, scorpion, and other insects in the ground bug. Yes. Okay, let's discover. Wow. Wow. Nothing. So I think the millipede has a lot of in the bamboo tree. Yes. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is a giant millipede. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a giant millipede I never seen before. Wow. Okay, let's discover more. Wow. Oh, oh, that's a black millipede. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. So big. Oh my god. Oh wow. One more. Oh my goodness. Oh, so big millipede. Oh, there's a white millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, you like it? Yes. A lot of bamboo. They're growing up so fast. A lot of bamboo. Yes. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh, that is giant. One more. Oh my god, did you see? Oh my goodness. Oh, giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Giant millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, so big. Yeah. Oh my god, a lot of millipede in the bamboo tree. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, one more. See? Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh. So a lot of bamboo. Yes. Growing up so fast. Oh, one more. Yeah, nice job. Oh my god, I love catching. Wow. Oh, one more. Wow. It is a millipede. Wow. Oh my god. goodness. Oh my god, so big millipede. Yeah, I love catching. Oh, there's a red millipede, you know. Oh, red millipede, yes. Yeah. It's red millipede. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of bamboo just growing up. Yeah, see this. So I think the mushroom, the millipede likes eating the bamboo, and they like to stay around the bamboo tree. Yes. Oh my god. The discovery more. Oh my god. Oh, the thing is, this place has. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my god. There's one more. Oh my goodness. Smell of it. I love catching. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh. See that? That's 1, 2 millipede. Oh my god. Nice, nice. Oh, one more. Okay. Nice. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 2 more. 2. 1, 2. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, so big millipede. Wow. Oh my god. One more. I love catching. Oh, this millipede. Wow. Oh my goodness. Millipede likes to live. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. One more. Oh, they are inside. Oh my god, inside this bamboo tree. Yes. Oh my god, I catch one more. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You see? Oh my god. Oh. That's a big millipede. What is so a lot of in here, but I can't find at all because it's not easy for me. But in here it has a lot of millipede. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of millipede. Oh my goodness.